In this video I will show you how you can download Blender 4.3. First, go to this website. I will leave a link in the description. For Windows, click Download Blender 4.3. Now the installer will download. Now, open the file. Click Next. Make sure that the checkbox is checked. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Now it will open this donate page, but you don't have to donate. Click on your Windows icon in your taskbar or press the Windows key. Search for Blender and click Open or press Enter. You have successfully downloaded Blender.